If your bra looks homemade instead of professional, even though the pattern is good, the problem is very often fold-over elastic. From now I will just call it fowy. Let me show you the most common fowy mistakes I see all the times when sewing bras. Fowy is usually right at the neckline and underarm, so it's the first thing you notice. Even a well-drafted bra pattern can look cheap if the fold-over elastic is done wrong. The good news is that most fowy mistakes are easy to fix once you know what to look for. Number 1. Too much or too little tension. The number one of fowy mistake is pulling it too much while sewing. It's tempting to stretch it because you want everything to lie flat, but this is exactly what causes waviness. If the fabric starts waving while you sew, that's already a sign you are pulling it too much. Fowy should gently hug the fabric, not fight against it. Number 2. Wrong width or placement. Another common issue is using fowy that's too wide or placing it unevenly. If the fowy is too wide, it can overpower the bra and makes it look bulky. And if it's not centered properly, the edge won't look clean from the outside. I always fold the fold-over elastic first and align the edge before sewing a single stitch. Number 3. Ignoring stretch direction. Fold-over elastic stretches differently than your fabric, and ignoring that is a huge mistake. If your fabric stretches more than the fowy, the edge will feel tight. If the fowy stretches more, the neckline can lose its shape. Fowy is not just a finish, it's a functional part of the bra. Number 4. Skipping a test piece. This is the mistake almost everyone makes, skipping a test piece. Fowy behaves differently depending on the fabric, stitch, and even the machine. A 5-minute test can save an entire bra. You can try different fabrics with fold-over elastics and decide what works the best for your project. And number 5, wrong stitch choice. Fowy needs a stitch that can stretch. If your stitch doesn't stretch, the fowy will pop or feel uncomfortable. A narrow zigzag or a stretch stitch works best for most home machines. Most fowy problems come down to tension, placement, stretch, and testing. Once you fix these, your bra will instantly look more professional. If you want to see the correct fold-over elastic application step by step, I show the full process in my Chloe bra tutorial here on my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.